Hello, this is Mr. Millay, and this is your video review for the former USSR test in geography coming up next Tuesday. Terms you need to know are continentality, permafrost, taiga, T-A-I-G-A, Chernozem, C-H-E-R-N-O-Z-E-M, tribute, that's where you pay somebody so they don't invade you, general winter, czar, that's spelled C-S-A-R or C-Z-A-R or T-S-A-R, October Revolution, USSR, arms race, Nikita Khrushchev, Boris Yeltsin, Ronald Reagan, John Kennedy, Mikhail Gorbachev, Vladimir Lenin, Vladimir Putin, Nicholas II, Joseph Stalin, Harry Truman. You need to know what the Kazilkum and the Karakum deserts are, two big deserts that take up a lot of Central Asia. You know what area Transcaucasia is. You need to know what the Aral Sea is and why it's down. You need to know what the space race is, where Cuba is, and about the Cuban Missile Crisis, what caused it. You know what the term mutually assured destruction means. You need to know about what Siberia is, Chernobyl, that was that nuclear reactor that melted down. You need to know about the Kievan Rus, which were the first Russian country, Orthodox Christianity, which is the religion of Russia. You need to know about how the Russians invaded Afghanistan. It didn't work out for them very well. You need to know that West Berlin was controlled by the United States, France, the United Kingdom, and that was the side you wanted to be on. West is best, remember that. You need to know what the KGB was, the Mafia. You need to know about Crimea. We just learned about it and watched a video about it, knowing that it's that small autonomous province just to the south of Ukraine, and it's being disputed between Russia and Ukraine right now. You know what a steppe is, tundra is, and runoff is. You need to know that the Mongols that conquered Russia were known as the Golden Horde. You need to know who Ivan the Great is and what he did, Ivan the Terrible is and what he did, Peter the Great is and what he did, Catherine the Great is and what she did, and Rasputin. Rasputin was a guy who they described as always either drunk, very drunk, or entirely drunk. Study that sheet in your notes where it shows the difference between the USSR and the United States of America, and it talks about the differences between them. There's just 10 questions. Is this describe the USA or the USSR? So just study that guide in your notes. Make sure you know about Vladimir Putin, what kind of president he is. Not a nice guy. Make sure you know that there was about 300 feet of no man's land surrounding the Berlin Wall. That's about the size of a football field. Know about East Germany and West Germany, how hard it was to cross, why it was so much better to be in West Germany than East Germany, and West Berlin than East Berlin. Know that the Mafia is a big problem in Russia and that they have a huge economy, bigger than the actual national economy. Know the difference between capitalism and communism. We've talked about that several times. Make sure you just look at those worksheets that we did yesterday and you study both sets of worksheets that we've done, and are ready to answer questions based on those. And if you have all of that done, you will do great on your quiz this next Tuesday.